Hello, David here, and the project for today is diagnosis and repair of a Samsung refrigerator. The owner says that the ice maker is not making ice. I'm going to make an assumption, one of two things. Either that there's no water supply, three things. Number two, ice maker may not be getting cold enough, or number three, which is probably most common, is I suspect that the ice maker's working too good, and for whatever reason, maybe the owner's not drawing ice cubes out of it frequently enough, but I think the ice maker is jammed with ice. And this is one of those fancy pants models where if you're too lazy to open the door to go get your ice cubes out of a tray, this thing has an auger and it pushes the ice out through the door so you don't even have to open the door. Likewise, you could draw water without opening the door too. It'll fill a glass of water for you. This is a Samsung model RF263. B as in Bravo, E as in Echo, A as in Alpha, E as in Echo, S as Sierra, R refrigerator. It's made in 2018. Let's go to the control panel. See this ice off function here? That does not turn the ice maker off. What it does is it turns off the ability to drop ice into your cup by pushing on the lever. That lever right there. That's just to keep kids from fooling with the ice maker. So in order to shut off and thaw the refrigerator, we need to turn off the refrigerator at the control panel. In order to shut the power off, hold down on energy saver and alarm simultaneously. And I think it's got to be about 3 or 4 seconds. There, power's off. This is the ice maker unit right here, and this is what we got to thaw out. It's probably going to take several hours for this ice maker to thaw out. Can certainly use a hair dryer to warm it up to speed up the defrosting. Make sure you don't get it too hot because these parts are plastic, and if you use a heat gun and get too close or too hot, it's going to melt. Don't overlook the possibility that your water filter might be clogged. That's the water filter. WS627B. I don't think this water filter is clogged because there is water flow coming out of the water dispenser. Let's take the ice tray out, see what's going on in there. You can see the auger. There is no ice in there at all. The problem might be up here. There's a huge chunk of ice. I'm going to start thawing that out with the hair dryer. I think this thing has thawed long enough. I'm going to turn it back on. There's 3 buttons to hold down: energy saver, freezer, and alarm. Turn ice on. Change this to ice. Want to make sure we're on Fahrenheit, not Celsius. Next I want to reset the ice maker. There's a blue button on the side up here. Right there, hold that for 10 seconds. Okay, got the ice tray in. It's going to take anywhere from 8 hours to 24 hours for the ice system to return to normal. All right, it's been 3 hours since I reset the ice maker. Let's see if it works. Ooh, that's a good sign. It's working! Hey,
now when those hours are very cold, we can get ice.
I don't know what he said, but I agree. I want to thank you guys and gals for watching. I also like some help on my algorithms, so don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO.
Gun owners of America. Gun owners of America.
Gun owners of America.
Gun owners of America. Gun owners of America.
If you're sitting at home and you contribute to the gun owners of America, stop giving.
The only no compromise gun group in Washington.
They're tougher than the NRA, aren't they?
That's right.
The NRA is bad, really bad. Gun owners of America is even worse than bad.
We do not support gun control. We do not support gun control fully loaded. We do not support gun control light. We have opposed every gun control at the federal level.
After days of silence following the Las Vegas attack, the NRA announced it was backing new regulations on bump stocks.
Interestingly enough, while the NRA is saying maybe we should regulate, restrict these bump stocks, Eric Pratt says no.